Hello, and welcome to the BTG Labs Materials Library series. In this series, we use the Surface Analyst to demonstrate how the surface of your material changes based on your surface preparation process. This video will demonstrate the changes in polypropylene film, a material commonly used in packaging for lawn treatment products, pet food, and other household goods. We recognized in the film and flexible packaging industries that Dyne is the standard measurement method used to audit and ensure the quality of film used in manufacturing. For this purpose, we have developed a unique measurement profile for the Surface Analyst called Dine Mode. This powerful measurement profile reduces the time required and drastically improves the accuracy of obtaining Dyne measurements on your film. Let's use Dine Mode to quickly, easily, and accurately obtain an initial measurement of this section of film. Corona treatment is the most common surface preparation method for improving the surface quality prior to printing, painting, or adhesion. Now we'll take a second reading to show the improvement in surface preparedness. Whether using the Surface Analyst with your samples in the lab or in the hands of an operator on the factory floor, you've just gained real-time and valuable business insights while dramatically improving quality control. Fast, easy, accurate, and non-destructive. That's the power of the Surface Analyst.